Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create flat column for duplicates in Power Query. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first load this data in Power Query. So first convert this data into table, select the entire data and press the Ctrl T, and here the one dialog box is open, create table. Simply click on OK, and here your data is converted into table. Now select the entire data and go to the data tab. In get and transform data group, click on the get data. Then click on the from other sources. Then click on the from table or range. And here your Power Query editor is open. And you can see your data. After that, go to the add column. In index column, just click on this drop down arrow. And index number from 1, I'm going to add. Click on the from 1. So 1 to 10 is added. Okay. After that, go to the home tab. In transform group, click on the group by option. Here the one dialog box will open, group by. Specify the column to group by and the desired output. Click on the basic way to group, and here to select the column, just click on this drop down arrow. So the group by the product. So at product wise, I'm grouping this data. New column name count. So I want the count numbers of the product. Okay, duplicate products. And operation count rows. Then click on OK, and that's it. You can see as per the product is count. The pen is a 4 pen entries is available in this data. Pencil is a 2 entries. Notebook is a 2 and eraser is a 2. So this is a grouping of duplicates. Okay. After that, go to the home tab. Click on the close and load. And that's it. Your data in your Excel load. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.